Hormonal shifts affect everything: sleep, mood, focus, and even relationships. Menopause and testosterone deficiency aren't just medical events. They touch your entire daily life. Bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, addresses the root cause so you can move through this season with strength and clarity. It's not about masking symptoms, it's about restoring balance at the source. With bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, our patients notice improvements quickly: steadier energy, deeper sleep, fewer hot flashes or night sweats. Over time, it also supports bone health, heart health, and mental clarity. What we hear most often is, "I feel like myself again." Decades of research show bioidentical hormones are safe and effective when monitored carefully. With bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, or BHRT, we tailor dosing to each individual's labs, health history, and goals. By taking a personalized, science-based approach, our patients see real results that last.